tried freelancing for 60 days and these are the results. And if you want to become a millionaire, you can skip this video. Instead of searching for easy money making ideas from Instagram gurus, I actually started working on my skills and it paid me 23k Indian rupees in just 2 months. So in this video, I am going to share exactly what I did in these 60 days as a step-by-step roadmap. So if you want to just start making money, this will be your place. But if you want to make millions, you can skip this video. And let's get started. So the first will be picking up the perfect niche for you. I like editing videos and it was the skill which I was using to run this YouTube channel. And also, video editing is the most demanding skill in 2023 and the demand stays up for the next 10 years. So I chose video editing as my skill to start learning. And for you guys to choose a skill, first determine your interest, research the demand for the skill and just think twice whether you can work on that skill for a long time. If you have no idea about the niche, select one niche from the following to start freelancing. Number 1, video editing, whether it can be short form editing or long form. Number 2, web designing. 3, graphic designing, which includes logo designing or thumbnail designing. 4, ads manager. 5, copywriting. 6, digital marketing and 7, content marketing. Okay, now I have chosen a skill which is video editing and short form video editing. So now I have to learn this skill before finding a client. You don't need to pay a single dollar to learn a skill because everything is available on the internet for free. I started everything with this 6GB RAM Android mobile. And now, after making some money, I bought a video editing laptop with high GPU. There are 3 phases in learning a skill. They are basic level, intermediate level and advanced level. From there, the first 2 levels, which are basic and intermediate, will be available on YouTube itself for free. So just go to YouTube and search the full guide for the software you selected. I started with my mobile, so I watched these mobile editing tutorials. And if you are confused, I have uploaded a CapCut tutorial to start video editing. So for basic level, watch my video itself, which is in the description. For intermediate level, I suggest you to watch this tutorial. If you want videos for other softwares like Premiere Pro, After Effects or DaVinci Resolve, just search on YouTube itself like Premiere Pro full guide in English. And there you go. Now I have learned intermediate level video editing, so I can start editing videos. Now this is the place you should build your portfolio. Just find some random raw clips on YouTube or some podcast videos and try to edit as much as you can and try to replicate top creators' editing style so that you can reach the third phase, which is advanced level. Now after editing some videos and when you feel confident that you can start working with clients, upload all the edited videos in a Google Drive folder and make some before after videos with the videos you edited. And now this is the stage where most of the freelancers quit, which is finding a first client. But for me, it was very easy. I will show you how. I created an Instagram page and completed the branding. Then I uploaded my before after clips. Later, I just made some reels related to video editing using AI voices and simple edits. I just uploaded 10 reels and I gained 120 plus followers. This is not a success, but wait for it. Then I started cold messaging creators that I can help them to grow their business with my short form video editing. And I got 0 clients. So I started to comment on top creators. Within 1 hour, I got message from 2 creators that they need a video editor. So I shared my portfolio and I made them a free sample and I closed both of the clients. Even a client paid me the advance of 2000 rupees, which is $25. So what I am trying to say is, first you should have a portfolio for physical proof. And then you should have a social proof, which is an Instagram page or a TikTok page or Twitter page. Then start approaching creators, that's it. Following these steps, you will get clients and start working with them. And you can earn around $500 per month approximately by working for more hours. But this is not our goal, right? The main aim of this channel to make people to be financially independent. So I will not let you work as a freelancer forever. But at beginning you can work as a freelancer to save some money. To scale this skill to $5k per month or even more. These are the 3 ways. Number 1, YouTube. Number 2, agency. And number 3 is selling courses. So from this, I chose YouTube and started making videos in this channel. But that's up to you only, because in YouTube you will have various works like script writing, giving voiceover, thumbnail designing and video editing, etc. But if you want to scale the skill you learned to $5k, you should choose a way from this. And this is how I made all these things in 2 months. I picked up a skill and started learning the basics from YouTube and found my first client from Instagram itself. And I started making some real money. I think the hardest part in this roadmap is to get our first client and maybe building personal brand. So if you want a separate video to find our first client, let me know in the comment section. I will try as soon as possible to upload the source. That's it in this video, and wait, if you want to make a talking animation like my channel, click here and my clone will meet you there.